A donor picked up the tab on a canceled event at the tune of $350,000. That's what happened when an individual inquired about how much the annual benefit netted when he heard the event was canceled last March. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. I provide overwhelmed leaders of nonprofits with a roadmap to raise more money through major gifts. Before I continue, make sure to sign up here to catch these and other weekly fundraising tips and strategies. You may have just planted your head in your hands upon hearing this story. Why can't this happen to me, you ask? Well, it may not happen to you, but it does provide a few lessons learned. Number one, be open and transparent about how much money is lost from your canceled fundraising event. Two, don't underestimate the power, desire, and capability of loyal supporters. And three, ask yourself, could I ask one person for their support equal to the net amount received from our annual fundraising event? The answer is yes, you can. I see so many nonprofits spending hours and hours planning and carrying out fundraising events only to net little revenue. But for those critically dependent on funds from their events, you can make up for the losses. If people believe deeply in your cause and know what's at stake from the canceled event, they will step up and provide support. Support could be in the form of one donor or a multitude of donors. Let's talk about how that can happen. You have to raise money to cover the income typically received each year from this canceled event. Here's what you can do. Number one, determine funds lost. Know how much you netted last year, that's gross profits minus direct expenses, from your annual fundraising event. You may be surprised how much is left after you pay for food, valet, venue, and marketing expenses, for example. This calculation does not include the enormous amount of staff and volunteer time required to put on an event. Number two, get clear on your message. What have the funds directly supported in the past? Have funds supported the overall mission to cover operating expenses? Maybe funds have supported a particular program, scholarship, or campaign. In other words, get clear on your message to your donors so you are able to state what will happen if you don't make up for the lost revenue from the canceled event. Donors want and need to know the consequences to your mission after having canceled the event caused by the virus and economic crisis. They don't know unless you tell them. Number three, create a donor list. Create a list of ticket holders or supporters of last year's event. That includes individuals and corporations. At the top of the list should be your most loyal and top supporters. Consider for this list those who are deeply passionate about your mission or the program the revenue from the event typically funds. Number four, divide and conquer. Depending on the bandwidth of your staff, board, and volunteers, narrow your list to a manageable number, but definitely cover your top supporters. Then divide the list and begin making phone calls. Certainly send a text or personal email to let the donor know you will be contacting them about seeking their support for the ABC program, a program typically funded by the now canceled event. If you have the capacity, work your way down your entire list of event supporters. One key to success is to ask for a gift amount at least equal to or greater than the donor made last year. The other key is to make personal calls. Donors are delighted to hear from you. If they can give, they will give. And number five, last, steward your donors. You want to always view a donor, particularly a major donor, as a friend for life. One of the worst and most frequented mistakes fundraisers make is not making their donors feel valued and appreciated. Not only do you want to treat all donors with respect and express a feeling of gratitude, but also be intentional in thanking your top donors for their support. Typically, 90% of your donations come from only 10% of your donors. In summary, you have to make up for lost revenue due to canceled events, and you can. Don't wait any longer to get a system in place in contacting your donors and asking for their support. You'll not receive funds to cover budget shortfalls unless you ask. By the way, if you have not downloaded my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, it's a great resource. To do so, simply number 1, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. And 3, download your free fundraising plan. Check it out. If you found this valuable, please like it, share it, comment, or tell others about it. Thanks.